Reef Finance Price Prediction 2021. Welcome back, guys. It's Crypto Rocco from Rockstar Trading Channel. In today's video, guys, we'll be talking briefly about what refinance is. We'll be looking at the tokenomics of refinance, where you can look to buy refinance. I'll be sharing with you my thoughts on the refinance project. We'll be looking at some refinance crypto news, and finally, guys, I'll be sharing with you my price predictions for reef and share with you a trading strategy to get in. Refinance has been the most popular requested coin, so again, I read the comments always and look at which coins have been requested. Refinance have been requested on my Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube, so I'm making a review. If you want me to make another review of another coin that I don't usually cover, comment below, reach out to me on Twitter, Facebook, and I'll make a review of the most requested coin maybe next week or the week after. I usually do videos on Chainlink, VeChain, and the coins that we're trading in the Rockstar Trading Channel, like Theta token. In the Rockstar Trading Channel, Theta token, we've been trading this really well. This is one of the only few coins, if you look today, that's going up, so it's really good that we're trading it. In the YouTube videos, I'll share with you exactly how I'm looking to buy and sell. In the group, I'll share exactly my entries, my targets, when I'm getting in, when I'm getting out. You can check out all the posts. If you are interested in the group, I'll leave the links below. There's a special offer for you to check out for trialers for this month. I'll leave the links below if you're interested. But now let's get back into Reef. So Reef is DeFi made easy. Reef is trying to, if you talk about DeFi, there's lots of, big words get thrown, and new people coming into the market don't really know, understand it. So Reef Finance is trying to make it simpler. The fragmented nature of DeFi. Reef is trying to make it simple. And one of the things I really like about this, I'll touch on this more, is powered by Polkadot. Reef Finance has already got big investors and some huge partnerships in the ecosystem. Looks amazing. If you just look at some of the exchanges in the markets and the people that they're involved in, it's really, really good. And again, I touched on Polkadot. Polkadot is one of my favorite projects this year. We've been trading Polkadot in the Rockstar Trading Group since $6. I highly recommend you go watch my Polkadot video. I made it a couple of months ago. So that again gives me trust in cryptocurrency. Whenever you're looking to buy a currency, the biggest thing for me is trust. We want to be able to trust this company that they'll deliver. And if you look at some of the problems that they're trying to solve, that is a very big positive for me. They're trying to solve the liquidity problem, centralized exchanges, decentralized exchanges. There's not much integration in the DeFi ecosystem. So we've touched on the fragmented nature of DeFi. Reef is trying to solve that. And if you are interested in, yield, real farming, and all that good stuff, it's very difficult to keep track of everything. Refinance is trying to make it simpler, and I've talked about Polkadot again. Being involved with Polkadot gives this company a lot of trust. Another thing that I like to follow personally is, people usually look for the roadmap, and everyone can claim what they're going to do and achieve in the future. But if you look at what Refinance have been achieving since last year, they have been making progress. They've already are on the biggest exchange, which gives them a lot of exposure. They've got loads of brilliant exchange listings. A couple of things that I really like is a Reef basket. That's, I think, is a big news. NFT basket. So there's always fundamental news, and I really love to trade coins that have got fundamental news. If you look at Cardano, we traded Cardano from that $1 breakout brilliantly with all the news that was coming out. And Refinance are in the DeFi market and in also the NFT markets, which are the two biggest things. So even if they don't end up delivering with all this news and marketing, Refinance, from just all the comments in Facebook, Reddit groups, seems to be a really popular coin, and they're all in the right market. So if they can deliver something, even some big announcements, I think Refinance price can go up. I'll touch on the price again, but this is something I really like to keep in mind. I'm more of a trader. I am invested in some coins, and in the Rockstar Trading Group, we do invest and hold longer time frame, but usually we like to get in and out, and Refinance is definitely a coin that I'll be looking to trade. So Refinance, if you want to find out more about Reef, the token, the governance, what is DeFi, you can find out on the frequently asked questions. And if you are, how to keep going on about Polkadot's interoperability layer allows us to communicate with all blockchains and still achieve high throughput. Additionally, we inherit security models, which means we get to be highly resilient, can do forkless upgrades while still being able to maintain stable on-chain governance. The forkless updates is one of the key things that I really like about the Polkadot parachain and the Polkadot ecosystem. If you are interested in API from staking in the Reef pool, there's a lot more for you to find out. If you are interested in staking, refinance would really help you in achieving that. If we study the refinance project, and if we look at their Twitter accounts and Reddit groups, and if we look at their blog, they seem to be really active. And this is another key thing. Binance grown so well because they're so active in the social media. They keep their customers interested, and Reef, if you study their Twitter account, Reddit groups, and all that other stuff, I mean, refinance looks to me active in the industry, and that's something that we want to carry on seeing. So again, that's something I always talk about: studying their Twitter account, studying the team, and refinance. I do really like what they're trying to do. They're keeping the investors and the traders interested in refinance. They're doing a brilliant job in marketing Reef, and having the Polkadot backing does help refinance. And you can see more exchange listing and what refinance is trying to do. If you are interested in buying refinance, one of the best places to get is probably Binance. Again, I've all got the links below. There's loads of other exchanges you can trade it on, but they are listed on Binance, which definitely set them apart, because Binance is one of the biggest exchanges. So being listed on there gives them a huge exposure. If you look at the market cap, is quite very, very small compared to some of the other huge projects. They're not even in the top 100 cryptocurrencies, so there's definitely room for refinance to grow. Just to give an update on it, just fundamentally, just to summarize it, refinance is a liquidity aggregator in the multi-chain smart yield engine that allows the integration of any DeFi protocol. So what they're trying to do without technical barriers, they're trying to simplify it. And talking about the project overall, there's not too much to go. I don't know too much about their team. From looking at the quick research that I've done as requested, they look like a solid team compared to some of the other cryptocurrencies that we've seen. Long time frame, again, is very difficult to commit whether I'll invest. I would look to trade it, and I'll share with you my strategy. I really like the hype that they've got, and if you want to talk about pumpermentals, this coin definitely has the pumpermentals that can help push the price up. But doing my quick research, they do seem a solid project, a solid team, and if Reef aids adoption, that's all that we care about. Cryptocurrencies have been here a while now. We talk about partnerships, developments, and all that 3.0 cool good stuff, but we want to see fundamentals, adoption, usability, and refinance is trying to do that. So there's all green flags for refinance. If we look at news for refinance, a lot of the things that come up is price, and that's something that I don't really like to see. We want to see more fundamental updates. It talks about undervalued altcoins. So again, I want to see more actual fundamental core development from the project, but this is good to see for the price. If you are invested in a coin, you want to see a lot of hype around it, and refinance definitely has that. So looking at all the good stuff, now let's come to the price prediction. So again, I do 3 to 4 live stream in the Rockstar trading group, and one of the setups I shared in Reef was I don't really trade triangle trendline breakouts like most people. I like to see breakouts and then buy pullbacks. And previous live streams, again, I did a free live stream on YouTube as well. I try and do once a month on YouTube. The Rockstar trading group, I do 3 to 4, and get Telegram group and all that good stuff. And I shared the trade setup here when it was breaking out. This is a coin that I personally didn't take. There's hundreds of coins that are breaking out. This is probably one of the best markets we've seen since 2017, where all these coins that are going up, we've not seen a market like this. And Bitcoin tries to break out again, and Ethereum breaks out again, altcoins will pump, and make sure you're taking advantage of it. So there's so many coins breaking out. I didn't trade it. I tried a trade setup on a breakout out of this, and refinance rallied quite a lot. So the key level I'm looking for is I really don't want refinance to start getting below 2.5 cents. If refinance starts getting below 2.5 cents, I won't be interested. For me to buy refinance, I want to see it above 4-5 cents. If refinance can start trend changing similar to this above there, I'll look to buy again. Again, in YouTube, I'll share with you exactly which levels I'm buying and selling. The Rockstar trading group I'll post when it's breaking out, and this is a coin that I'm interested in. If it does break out with all the good stuff I talked about, and the fundamentals, and especially the hype around this project, if it starts breaking out, I think it can really rally. So finally, guys, what is my price target? Previously, when refinance broke out, the 426 level was a Fibonacci level where it hit, and you can see it held. If it breaks out again, I mean, I don't want to share with you big huge price predictions, but I think the realistic target for me, where I'll start looking to take profit, is the 8 to 10 cent level. If it comes into that level, I'll look to take some profit, and if it does break out, I think the previous highs, as you can see, this zone would be my long time frame target for here. If it, if it does something like chain link and carries on, I'll let it run. But these are some two realistic price predictions for it. Again, these are still huge pumps. I'm not talking about 10x. I mean, 10x would be this Fibonacci level. But again, let's stay patient. Let's not talk about 100x, 10x yet. These are my targets, similar to theta. We bought theta at 80 cent. Look at where theta is now, and it could be 10x soon. So again, let's be patient, take some profits. There'll be loads of setups, and up on there's not one candle is going to go up. There's going to be loads of setups, and we'll keep buying as it's going up. But that's the two key levels I'm looking at. So again, thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. To end the video, what is your thoughts on reef? Do you like reef from a fundamental point of view? Comment below your price prediction for reef. If there's any other project you want me to review, comment below, and I'll pick the most reviewed, the most requested one, and I'll do a review on it. So thank you very much. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification button. If you are interested in taking your trading to the next level, I'll leave the links below for you to check out. There's a special offer to check us out, get the full course. So thank you very much. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon with another great video. Thank you very much.